Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer car. It's a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. It's fuel injected with a Ramjet motor in it. Finished in 2010, and it sat behind the ropes at a Chevy dealership for many years, promoting the Ramjet motor. Beautiful, gorgeous, straight body. Notice the California front bumper up front. It's a one-piece. Sitting on the steel wheels. So beautiful. Gorgeous paint. Beautiful fitment of all the panels too. Absolutely no expense spared on this car. The interior is as nice as it gets. Got a 4-speed manual with overdrive. Cruises at 70 miles an hour at 2,000 RPM. This paint is like silky to the finish. I mean, silky to the touch. LED tail lights, LED front parking lights. Got a California rear bumper too. See, that's one piece. Sitting on these steel wheels. Give it a nice look. I think they're 7.5 inch and then 8.5 or even 9 in the rear. Sitting on a brand new Mickey Thompson. I love this tire too. It's got like a cool tread pattern. Looks like flames. I have that same on my Coupe. Love that tire. And I love the steel wheel too. Beautiful paint. Gorgeous fitment of everything too. Man, the stance on this car is what does it. Beautiful. Trim is super straight. And up front, it's beautiful. Bumper's gleaming. Looks like high intensity lights up front too. About 3,000 miles on the build. Beautiful. So wheel, so I did it. Cone with hazard. This trim, amazing. You really tell a high quality build. Ramjet is fuel injected. Short wheel up front too. Man, this interior is so beautiful. Sparkle. Look at all the glistening chrome off the headliner. It's finished in vinyl. Seatbelts added too. This car just glistens. Windows go up and down really nicely. Beautiful felt in there too. Padded dash. Added shift light. So pretty. You don't really see them like this. It's got a chambered exhaust with the X-Type. It's 2.5 inch. Sounds great, not overly done either. See the tip sneaking out the side right there? Great sound, not obnoxious. This is a super high quality restoration. Here's the Ramjet. This motor was produced in the late 90s, clear to 2016. It's fuel injected. Power master, chrome alternator, thin valve covers. So we've got the fin on the top of the fuel injection unit too. Everything cohesive and natural. Look like Headman headers leading to an X-pipe and then out the back. So pretty. And everything is painted to match, clear out down to the floors of the car, the shiny gloss black. Cold air intake, here's your mass airflow sensor right there. Polished aluminum radiator. Little screen right there to protect everything. So pretty car, gorgeous. And again, beautiful fitment of all the panels, just fantastic. Love the flapper too, so cool. Yeah, they just work perfect. Gorgeous. Black and silver too, really sets it off. So pretty. Show the trunk. And again, all the lights and everything have been upgraded to LED, so they're nice and bright. Full display. What was that? Nice and bright. They take up a lot of power and they don't even run hot. Beautiful, gorgeous trunk. Obviously, battery's been relocated back here. Looks better in the engine compartment. It has a little bit of weight distribution to it. Yeah, it's super pretty. You hear that little buzzing? That's the fuel pump. It's fuel injected. You need that. Beautiful. These tails have been upgraded too. LED. How crispy in there it is. So cool. Real work of art. Just as nice underneath too. Yeah. That's a pretty car, man. Oh, God. And it's a real VC VIN too, which means Bel Air. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button, hit me up, visit my website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.